Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to save your FGO account. Protecting your progress is crucial, especially after investing many hours into the game. We will cover two main ways to ensure your account is safe and recoverable. Before we dive in, make sure you have access to your game and any relevant personal details. This preparation will make the process smooth and straightforward for you. The first and most common method involves generating a transfer number directly from the game. Navigate to the My Room section, then Account Transfer, and create your unique number along with a password. It is vital to write these down immediately and store them in a very safe place, perhaps even two separate locations. This number is your key to recovering your account on a different phone or tablet. If you ever lose your transfer number or forget your password, do not panic. The second method is to contact customer support. You will need to provide specific details about your account, such as your in-game name, friend code, and recent purchase history. The more accurate information you provide, the faster they can verify your ownership and help you regain access to your beloved FGO account. Be patient, as this process can take a few days. To keep your FGO account as secure as possible, always follow a few best practices. Consider generating a new transfer number every 3 to 6 months, just to be safe. Store your critical account information in at least 2 different secure places, like a password manager and a physical notebook. Most importantly, never, under any circumstances, share your account details with anyone else. Your account safety is paramount.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.